Hello everyone, my name is Nihal Yadav, currently studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore. My USN is 1VE23 CA033. I am in branch CSE AI, subject operating system, and I am currently pursuing in third semester. Today's subject code is BCS303. Today's topic is operating system and its operations. So, will be today's topic is understanding operation systems, core functions, and operational mechanisms. We'll be discussing about this topic: what is operating system and what its operations, what are its core functions, and operational mechanisms. So, introduction to operating system. So, what do you mean by? So, first of all, what do you mean by operating systems? So, an operating systems is a critical software layer that manages hardware resources, and provides essential services for application software. This presentation will explore the core functions and operational mechanisms that define how operating systems work. So nothing but an operating system is a is a phase with the between the software and hardware layer. So it is a critical software. That means it's very critical to handle it. So it's a very critical software. So next, what are the core functions of OS? So the primary functions of an OS include process management, memory management, file system management, and device management. So what are these? So these are core functions of OS which are very important and core. So which these functions each have their individual role, and in each function plays a vital role in ensuring efficient operation and resource allocation within a computer system. So each have their own significance, which have and play a vital role, and they all are vital role. That's why they are called as core function. So what is meant by process management? So process management involves the creation, scheduling, and termination of processes. The OS ensures that each process gets sufficient resources and if it executes efficiently, maintaining system stability and performance. So what do you mean by process? So process management is creating, scheduling, and termination of processes. So it's basically it depends on processes, and it involves the creation, scheduling, and termination. So memory management. So memory management is responsible for the allocation and deallocation of memory spaces for to various applications. So it ensures that each process has the required memory while preventing memory leaks and fragmentation. So management is nothing but allocation and deallocation of memory spaces. So it allocates the memory and then it deallocates the memory. So file system management. The OS manages data storage through a file system, enabling users to create, read, write, and delete files. So it organizes. So what does it mean? So the OS manages. So it manages data storage through a file system. So what does it do? So it enables users to create, read, write, and delete files. So it organizes data efficiently on disk drives and ensures data integrity and security. So device management. So device management involves the coordination and control of hardware devices. So the OS acts as an intermediary between hardware and software. So as discussed, so the OS is a phase where it is between hardware and software. Which ensures that devices operate correctly and efficiently. So device management involves the coordination and control of hardware devices. So user interface. So what is user interface? So an OS provides a user interface UI that allows users to interact with the computer. What does it do? So it OS provides a user interface that allows users, or users who use the computer, so to interact with the computer. So this can be through command line interfaces or graphical user interfaces. So enhancing user experience and accessibility. So security and access control. So operating systems implement security measures to protect data and system integrity. So this includes user authentication, access control mechanisms, and encryption to safeguard against unauthorized access. So what is it? So operating systems implement security measures to protect data and system integrity. So this includes user authentication, access control mechanisms, and encryption to safeguard against unauthorized access. It means that it safeguards the system. I mean the software from the as security measures. So networking functions. So modern operating systems provide extensive networking capabilities. So there are many networking capabilities, such as Wi-Fi and all. Those are networking functions which they provide. So these provide extensive networking capabilities. So they manage network connections, facilitate data exchange. What do they do? So they manage network connections, facilitate data exchange, and ensure secure communication between devices over local and wide area networks. So they ensure secure communication. It means security and proper secure communication between devices over local and wide area networks. So, conclusion. So, in summary, understanding the core functions and operational mechanisms of operating systems is essential for leveraging their capabilities, and OS is fundamental to performing security and usability of computer systems in today's technology driven world. So OS is very fundamental to the performance, security, and usability, which is a very operating system, software system, which is very useful and plays a vital role in our society, which are usable of computer systems in today's technology. OS is nothing but a layer between software and hardware, which is called as a OS layer, which we call as operating system. So first, let us, if we recall this, so there are four core functions of OS. So those are process management, memory management, file system management, and device management. So whereas process management, it includes creating, scheduling, and termination of process, how to do it. So then memory management, it allocates and deallocates the data. So allocates, and these allocates are malloc, alloc. So those are those sub functions which we use for allocation and deallocation. And file system management is manage data storage through a file system. So device management involves the coordination and control of hardware. So it maintains the security and the coordination and control of the hardware devices. So user interface, as we know, that it's that allows users to interact with the computer. So thanks for watching.